In learning, you will teach, and in teaching, you will learn. Yes, indeed, learning is a treasure that will follow its owner everywhere. A very warm evening to one and all. Well, my first and foremost duty on behalf of Achievers College of Commerce and Management is I, Ms. Rowena Joseph, welcome our chairman, Dr. C.A. Mahesh Bhivandikar sir, our principal, Ms. Sophia D'Souza ma'am, our Armenian speaker for today, and you, my dear audience. I welcome you all for today's workshop, that is CV making and interview cracking skills. It has become a regular aspect and a part of our Achievers College that we will focus on the development of our students so that they can be true achievers in life. And so, the workshop of today is an important part which will help you in your life to overcome this problem, and so that you can do your best in CV making and especially in cracking an interview. Now, I invite our today's speaker for the workshop, a very talented person, recruiter, HR blogger, and a career coach who received on-spot Top Source Award, a brilliant HR recruiter who contributed to the growth of organization, Miss Ritu Mehta. Glad to have you here today, ma'am. We welcome you on behalf of our Achievers College. I now hand over to our today's speaker, Ms. Ritu Mehta, for guiding us today. Welcome, ma'am. Over to you.
Thank you, Robina. Thank you to Robina, ma'am. So, yeah, let's get on to the topic. So, let us have this session as an interactive session so that anyone who wants to ask a question, they can unmute themselves and ask. And if someone doesn't want to ask but want to pop out a chat, they can just pop out a chat. I will read the question and respond. So let us have this an interactive session. If you could unmute, or if you could just on your videos also, I would be able to see everyone if it's possible. So let us have this as an interactive session. Feel free to ask any questions within the session itself. So thank you, Robina ma'am. You have given a great introduction. I work at TCS, which is Tata Consultancy Services. When Monica ma'am approached me and she just asked what should I write, I was like, let us have this a secret, a pretty little secret, so that because the name of the organization is huge. So let us have this a pretty little secret between us. So yes, I work at TCS, and I started my career from IT recruitment itself. And CV and interview cracking skills is something which is very important. So let's dive into the topic. So CV, I agree, you all would be undergraduates, you all would be studying, you have a pressure to get a job, and moreover, graduates, the quality of jobs which are open to graduates is not that specialized field. So you may come across jobs which are like, for Accenture, I I heard that Accenture is hiring for social media profile. So basically, more profiles are into backends. So when you are pursuing your career and we are getting into a job, your resume is as important as you are. You spent approx 15 years of your education, and then go to a job, and then you try to crack an interview. But CV is as important as your 15 years. One page will help you to get shortlisting of your which company you want to join. So recently, like in my Instagram, so I have my Instagram page as well. I help candidates with regards to interview assistance, resume guidance. So I just walked in through one resumes in my working hours, and the person shared me one-page resume. He had written all personal details. That's it, half-page resume. I thought the person might have uploaded or shared me the resume very in a hurry. The candidate might have shared or something like that. But I went to Naukri and I went to Naukri.com and checked his profile. It was bio data. So this is not supposed to upload, or this is not how a resume is. Trust me, in my 4 years of experience, I have seen the best resumes as well as worst resumes. Resumes which will give you a nightmare and you will never want to hire them. Please stay away, is what I personally do. So as a recruiter, if I do, I'm sure other recruiters also do the same. So it is very important that your resume should be crisp, precise. Now the problem is, for a fresh graduate, there is not much to write about, you know. So, it's Indian education that we have 15 years of education, or 16 years of education if you consider engineering. Okay. So, but personally, what I feel is, the more, like, if you're studying, you should do some courses which can enhance your CV. Okay. So, uh, but before that, let me come to what is the difference between a CV and a resume. I hope everyone has this, what do you say? I hope everyone has this question. What is a CV? What is a resume? So shall we call it a CV, or so CV stands for curriculum vitae. So basically CVs are detailed resume which has to go more than 2 pages. But bro, guys, we don't have time to look resumes for more than hardly 3 to 4 seconds. We see, glance it, shortlist it, move ahead. We don't have much time. So average time which is taken for a recruiter to glance in a CV and shortlist is 5 seconds max. So that's how the speed of shortlisting the resumes are. So it's better you have a CV. So CV is one page. And if you have an experience of 1 to 5 years of experience, have it one page. Any questions here? Drop down your questions, please. Or if you can unmute yourself, feel free to ask.
No, ma'am.
So that's what a resume is. So this is how we screen a resume, and we don't have much time. We just, if the resume is shortlisted, an HR will call you and take all your details and take it forward. So this is how interview is being processed. So what your CV should look like, since you are just fresh graduates. So try to get certifications. Now, certifications, another is a very large thing to talk about. So, I'm not sure how many of you are engineering students here. Just type in the chat box. Engineering or commerce students. Commerce students are also okay. Management students.
I did do Aditi here. I am an engineering.
Cannot hear you, my dear.
Just a minute. I am also an engineer.
I cannot hear you. Will you be able to type in the chat box, please? TY.com, okay. TY BMS, engineer, okay. Okay. So, okay. So first of all, let me come to BMMS, BMS and BMM. So all management students, student of engineering. Okay, I'll come to engineering part. Okay, many of them are graduation this commerce students. It's why BAF is also okay, fine. Okay. So if you're a commerce student and if you are into BMM, so if you're into mass media, try to do certifications which are related to social media, because mass media is nothing but social media nowadays. So you have to cover all news. When you go to TY mass media, TY BMM, I believe. So there, they will tell you to cover all sort of news and everything. So try to do certifications which are into social media or something, which will help you in mass media field. BAF, accounts and finance, and to do certain internships or certain kind which are important with respect to what government body. So there are which are for 1 year only. So they are government affiliated. So organizations don't consider private courses. Sorry, any organization don't consider private courses. All organization consider government affiliated courses. So if you are doing some accounts or management studies, and if you come across a certification in the University of Mumbai site, see what are the prices and what are the duration. If you feel uh, it will add to your career, it will enhance your career, go ahead, enroll for it and do it. You have to do something, because your resume cannot be just degree, skills, personal details, that's it. There's nothing which we can shortlist, right? So for a graduation student, it is important that you enhance your resume with respect to certifications. Second, you have monthly vacations, right? It is important that you do internships. What we do is, chalo, pack our bags, go to Nani's house, go to Daddy's house. But in Corona, we don't have any option. We cannot go anywhere. So in that case, you can enroll for an online internship. For that, I will suggest Internshala is a good website which you can search, and you can create your profile there, and you can apply to internships there, and the recruiters will give you a call, because recruiters know that Internshala में अगर apply किया है मतलब internship चाहिए first. It is logic. Internship चाहिए, and moreover they are fresh graduates. That's the reason they are going for internships. So that's the best place to cover your 3 months vacation and add it to your CV. At the end of your graduation post, trust me, your resume will look quite decent than other graduated students. So this will help you in getting your resume shortlisted. So काफी लोगों ने, many candidates asked me why our resume doesn't get shortlisted. So that's the major reason कि resume में कुछ है ही नहीं, हम shortlist क्या करें? So resume, to build a weightage to your resume, it is important. See, we know that you guys are graduates, okay? But graduation के बाद भी you get time, क्योंकि job के बाद तो time मिलता ही नहीं है, सवाल ही नहीं उठता. तो graduation में जितना skills and certifications you can do, that you can add it in your resume. First. Second, contents of resume. So I will not, I will just give you a brief. Internships, skills be what? I swear, I have come across some candidates who have written, I'm a hard worker. Then, wait, I'll tell you. Hard worker, then, shit, man, this Excel skills, and come on, guys, normal hai. Please, kuch alag likho. Write communication skills in your resume. If you're into finance, write accounting skills. So, I'll tell you the main panda. Skills may, the skills which you mentioned, that is what keyword we put. I'll tell you. Naukri mein, when we put a search. Now this will, no one will tell. Recruiters know this very well, that this is how we resume, like we shortlist a resume, or we take resume from Naukri or LinkedIn. So other skills may, if you have mentioned hard worker, no one will search in the keyword in Naukri hard worker. No, किसी को भी ये skill नहीं चाहिए भाई. And hard working के साथ someone has to be smart work. And trust me, from the day when you join, this is being observed. कितना hard work करता है बंदा, कितना smart work करता है, कितना जुगाड़ करता है, so that the work is done. So to be very honest, if Indian organizations, the companies in India are judge you on these 3 parameters. So simple, if you are into BAF, or if you are into BCom, if you are into mass media management, in BMS also, there, in the 3rd year, you have to choose a specialization. Specialization, जहाँ तक मुझे पता है, please help me if I'm missing out something. जहाँ तक I know, it's marketing, it's HR, IT भी है, I'm not sure. Just ping me if you know how many specialization are there in BMS.
Finance, marketing, and HR.
Acha, finance, marketing, HR. Great. So for BMS students, I would recommend internships are must. If you're into marketing, I'll tell you, social media marketing is a boon nowadays, because no one can go and sell now because of Corona, right? So social media marketing is something which is a major top-notch skill, and which will be a full-time. It is already a full-time job, but it will be a boon in the next 5 years. So when you ask a recruiter what are the skills or what are the job areas where you can see dynamic job opportunities, social media is one of the things. So if you're into marketing, social media, and if you love social media, go for it. For finance certifications, so there are certain universities. Yeah. So there are. I hope I'm audible.
Yes, ma'am.
So so finance students have to go for certifications which are into ICAI ka site. I have a question regarding certifications. Go ahead, Shivani. Go ahead.
Question regarding certifications, that nowadays there are a lot of platforms available. For example, Udemy or many digital platforms जिससे हम certifications ले सकते हैं. But once you're into marketing, so for example, I'm a content writer in the marketing field, and and organizations expect that आपको digital marketing के certifications होने चाहिए. But where I am confused is कि which platform is considered, like which platform to go for basically.
Okay, I was actually expecting this question to arise. So I'll tell you, there are certain see, पहले तो university की site पे जाओ and check कि कोई certifications available है कि नहीं. If there are no go for upgrade and other private things. I will tell you, there are Udemy. Go to Udemy site and check if there are digital marketing certifications. Then, because if you're a content creator, they expect you to have digital marketing skills, because no one wants a person to just create content on the website. हो गया नहीं तो वही है. That's what resume भी वैसे ही है कि तुम keywords, तुम skills कुछ भी डाल दोगे और तुम expect करोगे तुम्हारा resume shortlist हो जाए. भाई ऐसा नहीं होता. So similarly, it's the same. So for Coursera, Udemy, Skillshare, Coursera, Udemy, and Skillshare. Try searching digital marketing certifications here. I hope it helps. And if you want to know more, about other digital marketing certifications, LinkedIn is the best platform. So every student who is attending this session or who will be seeing this later, I would request everyone to create a profile on LinkedIn immediately post this call. It is very important. And in LinkedIn, you can search digital marketing certifications, Shivani. So if in case these 3 platforms doesn't work for you and if you don't find any relevant certifications there, go to LinkedIn, search what are the available certifications which are branded on LinkedIn, go for it and try doing that. So, but these Udemy certification, Skillshare and Coursera are, we take weightage for that. So if anyone who has done and who has given an examination as well with regards to DM or something, we take them. So that is one that is one criteria where your resume can be shortlisted and you can call out for a job. Okay, any other questions? Okay, so I observed that there are certain engineering students as well. Engineering ke liye, you guys have so much of studies to do that you don't have time for certifications. And I agree that, we all agree that. So that's okay. But again, jaise Shivani ko I said, hacker rank, एक site है for computer science students and engineering students. Go there if you are interested in computer science, like if you are interested in software background, you want to do coding and stuff, try giving exams over there. And if you get certified, you will get a certification which is issued under your name for 1 year, 1 year or 5 years. So you can put that in resume and we can pick it up. Because when you know that the person has cracked that hacker rank, it is difficult to crack. But once we know that hacker rank crack kiya hai, matlab banda kar lega, So that's what we think in mind that shortlist goes. Any questions still here? Okay, I'll go ahead. So the other thing is skills mein you have, so engineering students have to put skills like okay, so for engineering students you have to make skill in a tabular form. I don't know what your placement team tells you, because हर एक college का placement team होता है and those people tell you how to prepare a resume in your 3rd year. So I don't know how they will give, but as far as I know, skills mein, if you're an engineering student, engineering mechanical, I'm not talking about software engineering, yeah, that side. You can always write computer skills and Java hai, if you have worked on or if you have developed an application Java, like Java, .NET, then whatever you have worked on or you have built certain projects on, udhar dal do. Now here I wanted to share an experience. So I've been working since 4 years now as a recruiter, and TCS में कैसा है ना कि बहुत सारे campus, we hire a lot of campus recruits. So it's an experience, not telling you anything about the process, but I was interviewing a candidate and I interviewed about 10 candidates that day, that particular day I'm talking about. All 10 people are Java people. I mean, or Java may be basic, matlab, so I hired Spring Boot microservices, which are quite, you need to have 3 years of experience for that. But Java basic polymorphism or Java basic bhi they were not able to answer. And trust me, in that day of campus interviews, we rejected a lot of fresh graduates. Because Java mein basic bhi they were not able to answer. Plus, other than that, I interviewed one candidate who I just told him. So I think they migrated from Pune or they came from Pune to Maharashtra. I'm not sure what was it. I mean Pune to Mumbai or what. But the person was shivering because of nostalgia, anxiety. I was like, see, I think you're nervous. Sit for 5 minutes. I'll call you back again. Drink the water and drink water. First cool down and then you will be able to answer. And still he was not able to answer. Fingers are like this, you know, and then pasina dropping off in an AC air conditioned room. You know, so how can we select such people? So the challenge is, you know, पढ़ाई तो हम सब करते हैं, you know, but हम वो ध्यान नहीं देते कि कहाँ shortlist होगा और how will we able to crack. So I know we are, and especially when you are TY graduations and your parents give you bombarding, graduation हो गया, job पे लग जा, क्या कर रहा है अभी तक घर पे नहीं है, what you guys are doing, पढ़े रहते हो, सोते रहते हो, चलो जॉब करो. तो वो एंजाइटी की वजह से students have this anxiety that they are not able to crack the interview. तो अब हम क्या करें, हमारे सामने जो तुम 5 मिनट में हमें दिखाओगे उस हिसाब से we will shortlist. The way you are in 10-15 minutes or the entire duration is what we will judge. So we don't have an option but to reject. We don't have an option. So that's how it goes. Any question on resume thing? Any questions on resume part? I don't see any questions. सबको समझ गया? I didn't know. Great. Okay. So, okay. अब many people will make resume 2-page का. मत बनाना, shortlist नहीं होगा. So ideally, what major is, if you talk about resume, make it 1 page, crisp corner. There are templates available. One more thing. Templates, I got to know there is software which I saw many people using that software and सबके resume same थे. All resumes were same. Only name, contact number and personal details and some things were different. All were same. So don't use any software that will give you only one format. So it's better if you take templates. So one application which I referred myself. I made my upgraded CV. I took the template there. So it's Canva. So Canva पे you can get resume templates. वहाँ पे you have 1-page templates. But again, protocol, make it simple. If you are into social media, make it good, but don't make it poppy colors. So, you know, your colors in resume should not be catching your eyes. It should be subtle. Creative resumes for social media people? Yes, go ahead. Other resumes should be simple. Simple doesn't mean ki, you know, you should just make a tabular format or something. No, that is not required. So you know, you can always take it from Canva and try to make colors don't use colors like navy blue or some colors which will just, you know, pop it in your face. No, subtle colors and 1-page resume. That's it. So 1 to 5 years of experience, 1-page resume is recommended. And if you're an engineering student, your resume will go to 2 pages if you're into experienced professional. And because for engineering students, we expect that if you're doing an internship, try to make your project description good. Not for commerce student, but for engineering, your description should be great. So if you have said that Java you have used, how you have used, just write it in 4 points. So that's how a resume should be. Can we move to interview skills? Do you guys have any questions on resume? Let me know. I don't think. Okay. Okay. I know questions are coming in. I think everyone understood. Okay, fine. Let's move to interview. इंटरव्यू में ना हमें लोग ही ज्यादा डरा के रखते हैं. तुम्हारा इंटरव्यू है and you guys are chilling, you are having party, and next day you have an interview to go and you are partying. Go and prepare. No, it's okay if you party one day before. Doesn't matter. But it matters what you show in those 15 minutes or in those 30 minutes of interview. How you are, how you just present yourself, how you dress, how many files you carry for just one paper, So all these things are observed. I have interviewed a couple of people and a couple of candidates, lot of candidates. And when I asked them for resume, their hands shivered because of nervousness. So anything, if that happens, when you wait for an interview, try to have some sugar or something and keep yourself hydrated so that you don't see, even though you are nervous, don't show to the other person that I am nervous. Is it okay if interviewer asks for CV and the resume? One second. What a question. Is it okay if interviewer asks for CV and the resume of one page is given? Good question. First of all, no one will ask. So nowadays, CV is not asked. If the person asks for a CV, nowadays the standard format is resume only, because it is not possible for you to carry 2 different documents in printed papers and you carry to the interview. Not possible. So what see, even though agar hamare mukh se CV nikal jata hai, but resume is what we all organizations accept. So CV अभी आजकल कोई नहीं मांगता. Go to LinkedIn, go to Naukri, सब resume ही लिखते हैं. And if in case CV is mentioned, hand over a resume only, because that's what the standard format now we follow. Pehle 4 years earlier, there was 2-page resumes which I interviewed. In 2016, I interviewed. In 2018, I interviewed people who had 4 years of experience with 3 pages. That's okay. I interviewed such people. But now, no. One second, I got a question. What mistakes we should not do during interviews? Okay. So first is, if you're nervous, don't show it to your person or interviewer that you're getting nervous. Have plenty of water, stay hydrated. But again, preparation is important. I don't think preparation should take more than an hour or so, because you already studied and you already know what you have been doing if it is an internship or something. The other thing which you should not do is, please don't talk to recruiters in Hindi. Okay, so I'll tell you what. When I was in Capgemini, because of nervousness, people used to talk to me, candidates used to talk to me in Hindi. Even I agree. You also understand, but all the time you cannot use Hindi. So you need to be professional, and the way you dress is important. So for girls, I'm sure you guys would be having a placement cell in your college. They will be telling you everything. But again, it is important to carry a blazer, you know, and during an interview, like it's not important that you carry it and you just carry it, and 5 minutes before an interview, just wear it, be prepared, stay hydrated, and then go. Prepare well. Do not forget what you have prepared, please. I have seen candidates who are not prepared, and you say, "Ma'am, give me 5 minutes. Give me 2 minutes. I need to think." Don't pretend that you have forgotten. It's okay, you have forgotten, but don't prepare you have forgotten. You know. So, but that doesn't mean you will answer wrong. No, think about it and then answer. No, and that's what preparation comes in place. You need to prepare well. So these are the do's and don'ts which I will suggest not to do in interview. And what else? For do's and don'ts, I feel these are the 4, 5 important points which I feel you should avoid. And yeah, I hope I answered your question. So the other thing with regards to interview is, first of all, there's one question which will be repeated in all interviews. Tell me something about yourself. And now the basic catch is, okay, so what we do is, we are in a set of panels. Technical and HR panel sits together. Since we take interviews for engineering students mostly. So I told them one day before the candidate arrives in the room, let me ask this question and let me see what they revert back. Because uh, tell me something about yourself. Candidates say what is written in resume. So my name is this and this. I graduated from this and this, and this and this. No, we already know because of your resume. So tell me something about yourself. Is we are expecting something which you say apart from your resume. So we already know your name because I only call your name, and that's because I call you for an interview. So we know your name. We know you're an MBA graduate or BMS graduate or so on, and we already know. So, and tell me something about yourself is you should start with something like I uh, I am currently pursuing my degree from don't say the college name, but yeah, you can say it's optional. I am graduating from this and this. I'm currently studying, and these are my skills. I feel I am good in marketing skills because since I was doing my BMS in marketing, I did one internship. I did certain certifications, and I got some my say for example your project which you do black book project in your third year. So there is a project in colleges happen black book project. So management students have to make. I'm not sure it happens in your college or not. It happens in most of the colleges. So you can always say if your black book project, research papers. So there was one candidate who was outstanding, and he um, he told in the interview that I have published a research paper. So we asked how many research papers, how did it go, and how did it come across to you. He explained his whole journey. And to be very honest, we were so delighted कि उसको उसने रिसर्च पेपर इतने अच्छे से प्रेजेंट किया था that इतना अच्छे से उसने रिसर्च पेपर प्रेजेंट किया था, और वो जब इंटरव्यू में बता भी रहा था तो इतना अच्छे से ही वाज सेइंग इट, सो एंजॉय करके बता रहा था वो कि वी सिलेक्टेड दैट कैंडिडेट. सो आप कैसे प्रेजेंट करते हो जो आपने किया है, दैट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. तो अगर आप एंजॉय करके कुछ अपना प्रोजेक्ट बताओगे तो हमें भी मजा आता है इंटरव्यू लेने में ना. सो टेल मी समथिंग अबाउट योरसेल्फ. में यू कैन ऑलवेज से कि व्हाट आर द सर्टिफिकेशंस, फिर क्या इंटर्नशिप किया, कॉलेज में कुछ अवार्ड्स मिले, डिड यू गॉट सर्टेन अवार्ड्स और समथिंग, एंड सो अगर कुछ ब्लॉगिंग पेज है, सो अभी आई ऑब्जर्व many abhi so I read books. It has improved my vocabulary. I understand in India problem होती है English में, we fumble क्योंकि हमारे घर में English बात नहीं करते. पहली वो problem हो जाती है. Secondly, घर में अगर English shows देखे तो they were like, what are you watching? बंद करो ये सब, सीरियल चलाओ या कुछ और चलाओ, व्हाट आर यू वाचिंग. तो ये प्रॉब्लम आती ही है इंडिया में. सो दैट्स द रीजन हम इंग्लिश बोल नहीं पाते हैं. सो इन ऑर्डर टू इम्प्रूव दैट वोकैबुलरी, क्योंकि ना आप जब काम करते हो, व्हेन यू वर्क फॉर 10 to 12 hours, आपको इंग्लिश में ही यू हैव टू स्पीक, यू हैव टू कम्युनिकेट. एंड ट्रस्ट मी, व्हेन आई joined in TCS and Capgemini, I was stunned to see HR leaders talking like pro. कुछ words होते थे जो लोग calls पे use करते थे, and I was like, ये कौन सा word है? And तुरंत I used to Google and I used to get the meaning. And trust me, now I use those words क्योंकि पहले मैंने वो research की हुई है. So this is how it helps you in your vocabulary. और जब आप इंटरव्यू बोलते हो, जब आप फ्रेम करते हो सेंटेंस, पता चल जाता है कि ग्रामर मिस्टेक्स है, कॉम स्किल्स इतना अच्छा नहीं है. सो जब इंजीनियरिंग स्टूडेंट्स के लिए हम इतना नहीं देखते, बिकॉज इंजीनियरिंग स्टूडेंट्स के लिए इट इज इम्पोर्टेंट दैट यू आर वेरी गुड इन कोडिंग. तो तुम्हारा कोडिंग बहुत अच्छा होना चाहिए. अब वी आर नॉट एक्सपेक्टिंग टू बी हाई फंडा कोडिंग, नहीं, बट बेसिक क्लियर होना चाहिए. The problem with colleges, since I'm interacting with you all, I'll tell you, Java में we interviewed students from many colleges जो Java में they were into it, and some Java students, and there's how can I say, there's a unit or there's something ANI, एनालिटिक्स एंड इनसाइट्स होता है. तो आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस, बिग डेटा, ये सारे जो स्किल्स है, मशीन लर्निंग, दिस इज स्पेसिफिकली टू इंजीनियरिंग स्टूडेंट्स. ये स्किल्स आर बूम, सो पीपल वांट दैट. लोगों को चाहिए, ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस नीड दैट स्किल. So there are certain companies. So I know one of my friends' brother, he was in United Bank of Switzerland. उसको internship offer करी. CTC was awesome. I mean, उसका internship ही उसको 10 तक मिला, 10 lakhs तक मिला. And post internship उसका काम उसको, and trust me, he was a person who was like, Didi, please help me. So I was like, okay, bro, I'm there, don't worry. And जो भी मैंने उसको गाइड किया था, he was able to crack the interview. इंटर्नशिप किया, अभी बंदे ने फाइनल प्लेसमेंट भी उसको वहां से ही मिल गई है. सो अभी पैकेज इज अराउंड 17 to 20. सो इमेजिन, there are certain international banks which offer you cream salary, बट उसके लिए मेहनत करनी पड़ती है. सो हम हमेशा सैलरी के पीछे भागते हैं, अरे उसको देखो इतना सैलरी है, उसको देखो. So one thing I learned in 4 years कि never compare yourself with anyone. आज आप जहाँ पे हो, 1 second please, 1 second. Yeah. So आज आप जहाँ पे हो, it it is not don't compare it with yourself because you are there here with your hard work. आज मैं जहाँ पे हूँ, it is because of hard work. आज जो भी मेरे classmates or whatever जो वहाँ पे हैं, they are all because of hard work. So let's not compare. Organizations भी, bosses don't compare with bosses compare करते हैं, but there are some bosses जो बोलते हैं आप पहले 1 साल कैसे थे, अभी आप कैसे हो. So this is how it happens. So don't compare yourself. And इसलिए जब इंटरव्यू पे भी आप जाते हो तो you guys have this in your mind. मेरे वाले को मेरे क्लासमेट ही, my brother used to tell me this, my classmate, okay, my bench, मेरे बगल वाले बेंच वाले को इतना पैकेज मिला, उसको ऑफर लेटर दे दिया, मुझे अब तक ऑफर लेटर है. So these are things which you hear, but I always say it's okay, because हर एक कैंडिडेट का बैकग्राउंड अलग होता है. So if you are an engineering student and you did an MBA, the weightage is more than BCom with MBA. Okay, so that's the reason. इसलिए मैं resume में पहले I told everyone कि internships are important. तो internships तब important होती है जब आपके पास 1 साल से कम experience होता है. तो there it is important. Internship में भी जब आप suppose I heard marketing, finance and HR. So finance, ये जो the BAS people, BAS candidates, they will undergo accounts को बहुत पूछेंगे उनको. And accounts भी कैसे ना, there would be certain organizations which will give a pen and paper और उनको बोलेंगे तुम्हें ये items दे रहे हैं, तुम फटाफट 2 मिनट में balance sheet बनाओ. But now they are not telling you to tally everything या क्या, but they want to see कि basics are पक्का, basics सही है ना, चलेगा, go ahead. So that's how interviews go. Any other question? Because ये topic इतना लंबा है कि I can speak for hours and hours. Any questions till date? Should we include jobs on resume we had that don't relate to the job we are seeking? Okay, very important question. ये question मुझे candidates ने भी पूछा है when I call them and ask whether you are looking out for job. First question they tell me only, or like this only, कि मेरा इसमें है, now I am looking out for this. So how I need an example for this. If you are into, suppose if you are into accounts and तुम्हें accounts नहीं जमा, 6 महीना internship किया CA के under, you didn't found it your cup of tea. मेरा job नहीं, I don't want to do this job. Many candidates have told I don't want to do this job. नहीं करना है. तो अगर ऐसा है and social media अच्छा लगता है, if you're into marketing or something, then 1 second. Yeah, apologies. So if you're into finance or if you're into other thing and you're not able to नहीं समझ आ रहा, तो जो नेक्स्ट फील्ड जाना है उसके लिए यू डू अ सर्टिफिकेशन और उसमें ट्राई करो कि कोई आपको इंटर्नशिप दे सके. अगर इंटर्नशिप भी नहीं दे सकता है तो ट्राई टू डू समथिंग ऑफ योर ओन. तो many candidates who are into job but उनको जॉब ही नहीं जम रहा, उनको business में जाना है, and they know that they are good in the other stuff, as in they are good with other I think they are good in other stuff. जैसे how can I explain? For example, marketing में they are into email marketing or content creation. So you can switch. So you can take freelance projects और उसमें you can take it. तो अगर but you cannot expect कि companies आपको directly उठा ले on the basis कि just you want to आपको दूसरा line choose करना है ना, हम आपको उठा ले, नहीं. तो हमें we need something that you have something done on that background. फाइनेंस का बंदा है, फाइनेंस में एक्सपोजर होगा, अगर उसको मार्केटिंग में आना है तो I need a base so that I can take him. So in this example, I hired a candidate, BCom candidate है. मैं ये recently last week ही हुआ. एक BCom candidate call and वो MuleSoft developer थी. Trust me, मैंने 4 times I asked her 4 times. Have you done any MCA? कुछ MSc किया है? कुछ साइंस किया है? बोली नहीं. I was like, you were doing an accounts job and then you went into MuleSoft, which is technical, पूरा coding में. How? BCom graduate, accounts का background and going into development. I was shocked. She explained it to me कि accounts नहीं जमा, and that's the reason I wanted to go to some other. मैंने certifications किए and मेरा जो friend circle था उन्होंने मेरी बहुत help किया and मेरे जो relatives थे उन्होंने भी बहुत help किया and coding सीखा and coding सीख के I cracked that interview. So obviously, I mean, even if you go as a fresher to other role, वो लोग आपसे पूछेंगे कि आपको knowledge क्या है. They will give you scenarios. And so that's how it is. I hope I answered that question. And yeah, you can include those jobs in resume so that जैसे वो बंदी ने किया, I mean the candidate which I told, she did the same. So we recruiters also come to know, and gap नहीं दिखेगा moreover. So when recruiters go through your profile, फट gap count करते हैं हम. So if there is any gap, I ask them straight away, why is there any gap? So there are certain organizations which have gap policy. I won't be able to reveal it because of policy reasons, but yes, gap policies are there. So after a certain amount of gap, we cannot take candidates. So अगर उसके पास ज़्यादा gap है तो शायद नहीं ले पाएंगे. Depends again, but so you can always include not to show a gap, and you can show that you have improved your skills accordingly. I hope, okay, what skills needed? Okay, I'll answer the one Faz Syed question. What skills needed for digital marketer? Very important. So I'll give you an example here. I started Bookstagram. So अब Bookstagram क्या होता है? Instagram जो book bloggers होते हैं उसको Bookstagram बोलते हैं. So Instagram पे जो book bloggers होते हैं, जो book review देते हैं, वो लोग Bookstagrams होते हैं. They get paid. So when I entered there, the students who were studying, they were doing part-time here. Review books पढ़ रहे थे, they were reviewing. I saw them. So they developed a website also, and website उन्होंने खुद से develop की है, and उनमें SEO एक part होता है, search engine optimization. So for a digital marketer, so even they are digital marketers. So it is very important. Digital marketing में SEO आता है, and ads आता है. Ads में भी बहुत कुछ आता है. It's a course. Check with your college if they have this course available. and if they have, they will surely offer. So just check if your existing college has this course. Um, so SEO, if you have a page which will help you to tell you that you are into digital marketing. One candidate I was interviewing, इसमें pros भी है cons भी है. So this candidate told me that one day, and it was a digital marketing candidate, and I just interviewed him, and he said, I have this. If you have Instagram, type this. This is my profile. I make memes here. So see, the panels were senior. उनको नहीं समझ आया. But I knew what he was talking about. So when I told memes, when I just checked in my Instagram, कि memes का क्या है? What is it? So I found all types of memes, funny memes and all. जब page देखा तो उसका well defined page था. फिर काफी candidates I interviewed, they had website created of their own. उनका जैसे ही I used to type. So पहले देख SEO is nothing but the moment you type Ritu Mehta, okay, you will get all my profile. She of HR Facebook, She of HR Instagram, LinkedIn Ritu Mehta. So this is how SEO is. Search engine optimization. पहला search आपको किसका आता है? तो digital marketing में ये ज़्यादा important है. And if you want to make a career in DM, I would suggest go to ad agency. तो social media agencies हैं, वहाँ पे you can learn a lot. Work for 1.5 years there, learn everything. Snapchat का hashtags कैसे use होता है? Snapchat में hashtags use होता है. So learn about it. Instagram में hashtags कैसे होता है? Learn everything. DM में एक छोटा सा part है social media marketing. And digital marketing, abhi it's a boon because of everything, the offices are shut. So and many the बहुत ज़्यादा cost company का DM में जाता है और hiring में जाता है. Marketing and HR are the two functions जहाँ पे बहुत ज़्यादा पैसा लगता है company का. So I hope I answered that question. And of course, if you're a digital marketing student, we obviously see कि आपको SEO कितना पता है, social media का कितना पता है, then ads का कितना पता है, ad revenue कैसे create होता है, Google AdSense कैसे है. Because even I was planning to do a DM certifications, but there are certain. So if you don't want to invest much, so you can go to Coursera or Skillshare and check their this, and you can go for internship and final placement. So that will help. The other question I saw, how can BCom people can brief their resume to the HR? Any important points which should be mentioned in resume or in briefing? Okay. I think this is a very important question. Okay, I'll tell you. So, first of all, you have to say that what is, I mean, why did you came to their organization for a job? So I'll share you my personal experience. I always wanted to build my profession in HR. Always. मुझे पता था कि मुझे यहाँ पे मतलब ये profession लेना है, but I still know where is my end goal. So I in that stage I was lucky, touchwood. So मुझे BCom से ही, and fascinating company was Accenture and Wipro. For me, मुझे Wipro बड़ा पसंद था वो टाइम पे because Wipro की policies बड़ी अच्छी है. So I went there, but they were like, we need MBA in HRs for full-time role. We cannot take BCom graduates. So I thought कहीं ना कहीं से तो I have to do a शुरुआत. So I just went to a consultancy in Vikhroli, and there I gave an interview when I was a BCom graduate. So now I'll tell you how I did and how I cracked. That was my first interview and I got cracked. I went to this also, Sutherland also. Udhar bhi I cracked. Dono interview I cracked. So there I just told ki I know I want to build my career in HR, and this is what I always wanted to do because this is something important, because I think my comm skills are good and HR my communication skills are important. Second, I think I can please people. I mean, I know unemployment kitna hai, and I think I can contribute to the society. The other thing is, मुझे बोलना बहुत पसंद है पहले से. 2016 से I used to love talking. My parents were like, बंद कर. But I was like, no, I have to talk. मैं पकाती रहती थी सबको. अभी I don't much. But that was a skill which I know I can speak for hours if you give me. So, बोल दिया मैंने इंटरव्यू में. And she offered me, and offer letter bhi aa gaya, and luckily I got enrolled in an MBA program. So luckily things fall into place, but हाँ मैं उधर join करने वाली थी there. So this is how you have to portray a simple short example, but this is how, because BCom में कैसा है ना कि we choose BCom so that हम side by side कुछ कर सके. अब many candidates, अब काफी लोग, काफी classmates मेरे, I was from 2013 to 2016 batch. तो मेरे साथ ही there were people जो IPCC कर रहे थे along with BCom, and वो लोग clear ही नहीं हुए हैं अभी तक, and they are still looking out for jobs in accounting. तो I would suggest कि कुछ ऐसा करो जो इंटरव्यू में आपका हेल्प करे. So that's what, and this is how you have to say कि मुझे इसमें इंटरेस्ट है क्योंकि I feel मैं इसमें गुड हूँ. तो it is very important. जब भी आपको पेरेंट्स पूछे that सोशल मीडिया में करियर बनाना है या और किस में करियर बनाना है, I think because I am good at this, I think I will make money out of it. I think I can do it full time and never get bored. अगर तुम मुझे इंटरव्यू या कुछ रिक्रूटमेंट में 12 घंटे में बिठा दो, मैं बोर नहीं होती. I never get bored. थक जाती हूँ, my body gives up, but I never get bored. So if you love your work, you will बस हो जाएगा. So it's very important to identify what work you love. So इस हिसाब से you have to go for an interview. Any questions? Any questions till your?
Yes, students, you have any questions? No, ma'am. Any other students? You have any query or questions?
Okay, I think मैंने कुछ ज्यादा इंफॉर्मेशन ओवरलोड कर दिया. I think brains पे पॉप हो रहा है इंफॉर्मेशन ओवरलोड. But yes, I thought कि these things are important because हम इतना engross हो जाते हैं दूसरी चीजों में that we forget on our own career only. जब जॉब में नहीं मिलती हम रोते रहते हैं हमें जॉब नहीं मिल रही है. So
Ma'am, one question is highlighted. Yeah.
But you should be able to justify. So internships and certificates are something which will be helping you to justify your answer in the interview. And that will help you in cracking. Because काफी लोग हैं जिनके पास कुछ सर्टिफिकेशंस या इंटर्नशिप कुछ भी नहीं होता. तो obviously जिनके पास इंटर्नशिप है they will be given a first priority. And graduates का बहुत बड़ा hiring number होता है. So 10,000 people are recruited via campus, wherein 5,000 are recruited via lateral hiring. So lateral hiring is nothing but 3+ or 2+ years of experience. So जब campus का इतना है तो और इतने सारे लोग बैठे हैं, and somewhere we feel that quality of candidates is missing. तो जब भी जिस दिन हमें लगता है we panels discuss कि आज quality missing था, and they remember हाँ उस दिन quality बहुत अच्छा था candidates का, सब आंसर में जवाब दिया, simple answers, hard questions भी अगर वो लोग आंसर नहीं कर पा रहे थे, but they were trying, they were near far, but they were, you know, good. So that's there. Okay. One of the students asked, okay, there are two questions. Okay, one of the students asked, what are keywords and how do I use them in resume? So keywords are something जो नौकरी में हम डालते हैं और नौकरी से वो पुटअप होता है. So मैं मेरा एग्जाम्पल देती, क्या मुझे दूसरों का I will not be able to give example. So मैंने मेरे resume में डाला है recruiter, talent acquisition, IT recruiter, because completely into IT. तो कैसे है ना कि I know recruiter के लिए recruiters नौकरी में जाकर keywords recruiter डालते हैं. So since वो recruiter डालते हैं, वो skills put up पे होके हमें resumes दिखते हैं backend से. This is how algorithm works. Search engine ऐसे काम करता है. No matter तुमने profile Times job में किया हो, Indeed में किया हो, Shine में किया हो या LinkedIn में किया हो या नौकरी में किया हो, doesn't matter. तुम जो skills और keywords डालते हो ना, that is important. And I would suggest जब आप resume बना रहे हो ना, अगर तुम DM में हो, digital marketing में हो, तो try करो कि तुम skills में SEO लिखो. फिर SEO, it's written in capital. What else? Google AdSense लिखो. जो components है DM के वो लिखो, so that वो fetch करे. फिर आपका जो job role होता है, designation तो वही लिखना है जो आपको offer letter में offer किया गया है. But again, bracket में you can write what role you are performing, so that recruiter को एक glance में पता चल जाए. So and हाँ, the project जो आप project experience लिखते हो, try करो कि उसमें भी तुम ऐसे keywords डालो, जैसे marketing हो गया, digital marketing एक keyword हो गया. Then the other keyword is if you're a content writer, तुम लिखो कितने websites तुमने बनाए हैं, कितने website का content तुम लिख रहे हो. I mean, you are doing it, and you know. तुम वो एक कॉलम रखो for content writers, एक कॉलम रखो जहाँ पे तुम वेबसाइट्स लिख सको कि ये वेबसाइट का कंटेंट मैंने बनाया है. मैं क्या करती हूँ, जब मैं ऐसे प्रोफाइल्स रिक्रूट करती हूँ, मैं क्लिक करती हूँ लिंक पे, मुझे गूगल से लेके जाता है, मैं उनका Behance प्रोफाइल देख लेती हूँ, एंड मैं वो पोर्टफोलियो लिंक अटैच करके ईमेल में पैनल को भेज देती हूँ. सो दिस इज हाउ एवरीवन डज दैट. तो पोर्टफोलियो का पोर्टफोलियो भी मिल गया, कंटेंट राइटर का रिज्यूम भी मिल गया, एंड वी आर सॉर्टेड. सो एंड कंटेंट राइटर भी है तो कीवर्ड जैसे डालो रिज्यूम में, तो कोई भी कीवर्ड ना बस उठा ले आपका रिज्यूम में और अपडेट करते रहो नौकरी पे. तो जैसे जैसे इफ यू अपडेट योर नौकरी प्रोफाइल डेली ना, तो देयर आर चांसेस कि वो ऊपर ऊपर आएगा आपका प्रोफाइल बिकॉज ऑफ नंबर ऑफ सर्चेस व्हिच हैज वेंट अप. Algorithm, it's all about coding. So this is how it will help you to resume आपका ऊपर ऊपर आके it will be visible to recruiters. I think we have 2 questions. Keywords is, I think I'm done with keywords part. Ma'am, can you explain about Internshala and LinkedIn, how to apply for internship? Okay. So for LinkedIn, there is a whole session which I can take. LinkedIn is important as well. If you want to know more about LinkedIn, you can follow She of HR on Instagram and Facebook. मैंने कुछ 2 videos create किए हैं उस पे, and the third, fourth video is about to get out. I mean, get to be published. So, uh, so LinkedIn में कैसे apply करना है, I'll tell you. But internशाला में you have to log in. पहले account बनाना है. See the role, क्या क्या responsibilities है, कौन सी company है, कितना salary देने वाले हैं, which has to be offered. Role देख लो अच्छे से, role के हिसाब से prepare करो खुद को और interview में बोलो and apply करो. तो जो role आपको आपके लिए ठीक लगता है, apply to that role. So there's nothing, and I think internशाला नौकरी in LinkedIn पे you can upload your resume in your profile. The moment you apply, or LinkedIn maybe na, you can search. If you have LinkedIn currently open, what you can do is there's a search bar there. तुम कोई भी company डाल दो. Suppose Accenture डाल दो. Accenture marketing आ जाएगा कितने, और job section में जाना. You will come to know कितने jobs आ गए. You can apply there. So you know, for more detailed any queries related to LinkedIn, you can follow me. मैं जवाब देती रहती हूँ वहाँ पे. I'm there. The other thing is reading books can help for improving the English, because in India only 50% people's English are in fluency. I'll tell you. So मैंने ये पेज शुरू किया था She of HR lockdown में, and touchwood the response is good. I mean, so वहाँ पे I started reading books and reviewing books. उसमें कैसे है ना, जो book reviewers होते हैं, they are paid. तो ये part time income के लिए बहुत अच्छा source है. And so this thing, books will help you increase your vocabulary. But it is important कि write books पढ़ो. So if you want me to give a book suggestion, I can, because we read a lot of books. So I'll tell you, my previous managers, my current manager, my colleagues, and whoever is in HR reads a lot of books. But they are like, Ritu, हमें vacation चाहिए, where we can read mythological fiction, because they like mythological fiction. So we can read mythological fiction. We can just spend our weekends there. So now people love reading, and good leaders are great readers. Now, and इसकी वजह से communication बहुत improve होती है. Trust me. So basics, I'll give you some 5 suggestions. First is the subtle art of not giving a fuck. So जब ये book का मुझे ये दिया था, I was like, क्या है ये? It's a slang language. But नहीं, I mean, जब when I read everything, it was good. The language is good. It's not slang language at all. So a good book to start with. Then Ikigai is a good book to start with. I would suggest go for fiction. अगर ऑडियो बुक सुन सकते हो तो YouTube में अवेलेबल है. Rich Dad Poor Dad बहुत हाई फंडू है, तो don't read that. But there are certain books जो simple language है, and YouTube पे audio books available है. So when you are walking, when you are traveling, LinkedIn पे YouTube पे जाओ, type audio books, earphone, listen it, मजा आ जाएगा. Percy Jackson की novels है, so read that. Light fiction I would suggest everyone to read. Okay, I'll type the suggestions, the book suggestions in the chat box, so that you know, everyone can refer to it. And for teachers, I know there are certain teachers also listening to this session. So for them also, I would recommend a few books again. So for them, Rework is a good book. Then I'll tell you one more book. This अभी पढ़ी है मैंने, US Navy की है book. ब्रिलियंट लीडरशिप बुक, बहुत अच्छी बुक है वो. Extreme ownership. So that's a concept I believe all teachers should read it. Extreme ownership. इसका PDF, let me know if you need a PDF. I have the PDF. मैं मोनिका को forward कर दूंगी if she wants. So that all teachers must read it. It's amazing book. It's all about team handling कैसा है, लोगों का कैसे चलता है, एंड डिसीजंस फटाफट कैसे लेने हैं, बिकॉज हमारे पास टाइम नहीं होता डिसीजंस लेने के लिए. सो व्हेन यू आर ऑन द ग्राउंड ऑन वर्क, तो एंड ट्रस्ट मी, ये बुक मुझे बड़ी हेल्प की है. या इट इज ओके टू रीड ई बुक्स. आई पर्सनली रीड ई बुक्स. मैं लॉकडाउन में ही शुरू किया टू रीड अ लॉट ऑफ बुक्स एंड इट हैज हेल्प माय वोकैबुलरी. मेल्स मेरे अच्छे जाते हैं आजकल बिकॉज मैं कुछ हाई फंडू वर्ड्स यूज करती हूँ. सो I mean, it helps. In our profession, it is like how many good words or how many difficult words you use. ये सब दिखने में आता है. So this is important. And that has improved. So yes, e-books will also help. क्योंकि obviously and Kindle में Amazon Kindle करके है. You can read it on phone, dark mode on kar do, and you can read it. But start having a habit of reading. And reading doesn't mean you should read only books. I created a video on She of HR last week. It doesn't mean that you should read only books. Nahin. Article पढ़ो, blog पढ़ो, Pinterest में जाओ. Pinterest में there are pictures. बहुत प्यारे प्यारे pictures होते हैं. और उसके नीचे link होता है blog का. तो आप ब्लॉग पढ़ो. मैं करती हूँ ऐसे. सो इंटरव्यूज के लिए या कुछ टिप्स चाहिए होते हैं, तो आई डू दैट. एंड सो आई जस्ट, बहुत प्यारा होता है वो. सो रीड वन ब्लॉग पर डे एंड बस थोड़ा थोड़ा लिटिल स्टेप्स विल मेक अ ओशन. नथिंग टू वरी अबाउट इट. आई थिंक आई एम डन. एनी फर्दर क्वेश्चंस? Rovina, you're on mute.
Yeah, I know that. You're done with it?
Yeah, I am good to go. You guys tell me if you have any queries or something. I am yours.
Yes, students, do you have any queries? You can ask.
Yes, students, if you have any queries, you can ask. My name is waiting. Yes, okay. So I shared a feedback link to all of you. You can fill and you will get certificate within this week, working week. Okay. Yes, you can fill feedback form also. I shared in chat box. Okay. Any other queries you have, you can ask. I am audible?
Yes, Monica ma'am, you are.
Okay.
Well, I think there are no queries at all. Yeah, there's one big suggestion. Okay.
Yeah, I was just typing the book suggestion, and for teachers also, I'll just type in your, so that you guys can use for reference.
Thank you. So I think we should move further as there are no queries. Is it okay, Ritu ma'am?
Yeah, go ahead.
So thank you, Ritu ma'am, for being so friendly and being like talking to us so nicely. It was really an enjoyable experience. We will love the way you spoke with us. I really enjoyed it. So thank you. And for the further thing and for the formal word of thanks, I hand over to Monica Vilwani.
Thank you, Rohina ma'am. Thank you. The greatest communication skill is paying value to others. A warm evening to our most valued guest, Miss Ritu Mehta, Recruiters and Career Counseling. Our chairman, Dr. C.A. Mahesh Bivandikar. Dr. C.H. Mahesh Bivandikar, Principal Miss Sophia D'Souza, Vice Principal Miss Sana Khan, all teaching and non-teaching staff. It's my privilege to propose a vote of thanks. On behalf of Achiever College, I, Miss Monica Vivani, I give heartfelt thanks to our guest, Miss Ritu Mehta, to give your busiest time with us and share knowledge about CV making and interview cracking skills, and this will definitely encourage us in future. I would like to express my gratitude to our chairman, Dr. Mahesh Bivandikar, to motivate us every time in all aspects, Miss Sophia D'Souza and Vice Principal Sana Khan for encouraging and supporting us. Special thanks to my co-convener, Mrs. Rohina Joseph. Last but not the least, the technical team and you all, my dear wonderful audience. Have a great and healthy day. Thank you so much again.
Thank you, Monica ma'am.